Think all dust cleaners are the same? Think again. The best computer vacuum cleaner isn't just about suction. It's a triple threat. First twist. It vacuums and blows with insane precision. Second, it ditches cords and disposable air cans for good. Third, it even seals food bags. Compact, cordless, and surprisingly powerful. This isn't just a cleaner. It's a total tech sidekick you didn't know you needed. Ever wish cleaning your desk could be fun? Enter the ODISTAR Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, the mini yet mighty solution you never knew you needed. At first glance, it looks like a sleek little gadget. But here's the twist. This cordless powerhouse, fueled by just 2 AA batteries, delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous cleanup. No cords, no plugs, just freedom. And with its 360-pound rotatable design, it sneaks into those impossible corners between monitors, mugs, and stacks of paper like a tiny ninja. But wait, plot twist number 2. Despite its size, the suction is no joke. This isn't your average weak desktop sweeper. It quietly devours crumbs, paper scraps, ash, pet hair, basically any evidence of your snacking or crafting crimes. The capture nozzle lifts even larger debris, making cleanup quick and oddly satisfying. Wrapped in a durable clear acrylic shell, it's as stylish as it is strong. Whether you're a student, gamer, or office warrior, the ODISTAR is the desk companion that turns mess into magic. Tired of wiping your laptop screen with your sleeve or blowing crumbs off your keyboard like it's your job? Enter the OXO Good Grip Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner, a deceptively simple tool that hides a surprising set of plot twists. At first glance, it looks like just another cleaner. But here's the catch. This double-sided genius is specifically designed to tackle the tech grime we all ignore until it's too late. One side features a soft, retractable brush that gently sweeps dust, crumbs, and mystery particles from between your keyboard keys. No more aggressive shaking or turning your laptop upside down. Then flip it over and discover the microfiber pad that erases fingerprints and smudges from screens and surfaces with one smooth swipe. It's perfect for laptops, tablets, and smartphones alike. But here's where it gets clever. Both ends are protected with a retractable brush and secure storage cover, keeping it clean and ready for action whenever the tech chaos strikes again. Small enough to toss in your laptop bag but powerful enough to become a desk staple, the OXO Sweep and Swipe is the secret weapon your devices have been begging for. Clean screens. Crumb-free keys. One tool. Total transformation. Say goodbye to crumbs in your keyboard and dust bunnies in your car, because the Hayousui 4.3 kPa Mini Keyboard Vacuum Cleaner is here to flip your cleaning game upside down. At first you might think, just another mini vac, but here's where the plot twists start rolling in. This handheld powerhouse delivers a 4.3 kPa suction force, strong enough to handle paper scraps, pet hair, ash, and food residue, without dragging out a bulky vacuum. Now enter twist number 2. The 2-in-1 nozzle. One side features a brush head for textured surfaces like keyboards and dashboards. Flip to the flat nozzle, and suddenly you're navigating the tightest nooks, between couch cushions, under car seats, or in that impossible space beside your printer. And don't worry about mess buildup. The reusable HEPA filter traps 99.6% of dust, and it's fully washable. Plot twist 3? It's USB rechargeable. Just 3 to 4 hours of charge gives you 15 to 20 minutes of non-stop cleaning action. Bonus, an LED light helps you spot hidden debris and dark crevices. Whether you're cleaning your laptop, your sewing machine, or the car's air vents, this cordless, lightweight vacuum is the unsung hero of everyday messes. Small in size, massive in payoff. Think a handheld vacuum is just for crumbs? Think again. The HOTO handheld vacuum cleaner is the plot-twisting gadget you didn't know your workspace needed. It looks sleek and simple, but under the hood, it's packing a whopping 15,000 pascals of suction power, thanks to a high-performance brushless motor. Say goodbye to dust in your keyboard, food bits in your car seats, and clutter in tight corners. This vacuum means serious business. But here's the twist. This isn't just a vacuum. The HOTO is a 4-in-1 cleaning station, doubling as a powerful air blower, inflator, and even a vacuum sealer. That's right. It can inflate items and seal bags with the same precision it uses to obliterate dust. With an airspeed of 22 meters per second and 500 L per minute flow, it turns cleaning into a breeze, literally. And the surprises keep coming. Its one-button design makes it incredibly easy to use, while the 1900 mAh battery offers up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning on low mode. Weighing just 0.78 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and shockingly efficient. Whether you're cleaning electronics, organizing your space, or prepping for travel, the HOTO vacuum isn't just a cleaner, it's a compact command center. Tired of buying endless cans of compressed air and still battling dust in your keyboard and car crevices? Cue the PeroBuno 3-in-1 computer vacuum cleaner and air duster, a sleek, energy-efficient game-changer that flips the script on traditional cleaning tools. At first glance, it looks like a mini air blower, but here comes twist number 1. It's not just an air duster, it's also a powerful mini vacuum with an insane 45,000 RPM motor, ready to tackle every stubborn particle hiding in your electronics or upholstery. Twist number 2, say goodbye to disposable air cans forever. With a rechargeable 6,000 mAh battery, this cordless powerhouse delivers up to 25 minutes of runtime on a single charge and is ready to go again in just 3 hours with 10W fast charging. Plus, it comes with 3 interchangeable nozzles, making it a multitasking marvel. Blow, vacuum, and even seal food bags. Yes, food bags. And the final twist, its compact, cord-free design means you can clean your computer, sewing machine, keyboard, car seats, and more without dragging cords or swapping tools. For a gadget this small to pack this much versatility, that's not just cleaning. It's a full-on tech plot twist in your hand.